Today we will be preparing what? Fire extinguisher. Three candles are in front of us which are glowing. Now we will not blow them, but by using a chemical reaction, we will try to put them off. Okay? We'll try to put off not through your hand, not like regular blowing. What we do for birthday parties and all that, we don't blow like that. But through chemical reaction, we'll try to put off. Okay? So we are going to prepare a fire extinguisher today. In front of me, there are two chemicals. One is vinegar and baking soda. Both are common chemicals what we use. This baking soda we use in so many places in making papads, pakoda, what you are saying, in preparing cupcakes, cakes, all that. Chicken, fried chicken, and all these places we use that. Empty. This is also empty baker. Show me this one. This is also empty. Empty means what will be there? Is it really a word empty or something is there in this? What is there in this right now? Air. What is there? So I'm pouring some amount of baking soda into it. With this smaller beaker, what I'm doing is, soon you're pouring, what you're getting? Lot of foam you're getting.
Yeah, we use it in our cool drinks, baking soda and vinegar.
What I'm pouring into it, have you seen?
Yeah.
So it is able to put the candle off. Let us try one more time. You got carbon dioxide? So carbon dioxide is above that liquid. Now I'm pouring it into this. Are you able to see anything going from this beaker to that beaker? Nothing, Yashi.
Oh.
Able to put off. Again, let me try one more time. Is it really or is it a magic? See what I'm pouring into it. See, nothing you're able to see.
Dioxide.
All the heavy carbon dioxide has come into this beaker. Able to put off. So this is what we call fire extinguisher. What do we call this?
Fire
Extinguisher. When vinegar reacts with baking soda, it produces this fizzy gas is what? Have you observed something? In the similar way, Sprite cool drink, if you see the similar way it looks like. Have you observed?
Yeah, in our most of it cool
These
drink
bubbles are
comes
nothing but the same gas is there in your cool drink. Do you know? The same gas is there in your cool drink. What is that gas? Carbon dioxide gas. You can prepare at your home itself through two chemicals. And the same gas is used to put off the fire. There is one red cylinder you are able to see there in the corner. That red cylinder also will have the same gas, that is three spatulas. Okay, very good, perfect. Now you can keep it aside. Cap it. So what is there in this beaker, Tanshi?
Vinegar.
What is there in this beaker?
Vinegar.
Jashi, what is there in this beaker?
vinegar.
Rohit? Vinegar. So now this vinegar we will be pouring into this beaker. Okay. After that, slowly we will be inverting. So Varshit, do that slowly. This is how we will be pouring. We'll invert it. Something is going into that. Take it and invert it onto the candle. It is able to put off. How? Able to put off.